this up.
Yeah.
This was like up to about here.
And it doesn't get any sun to warm it.
I would say
so
like
it's
this is
probably
nothing more than
freezing
moist
cold.
dirt.
Yeah,
Not even-
exactly. It's not even mud.
This is lovely.
Yeah, this
It's
is
like enough dirt to make you feel like you're actually adventuring.
yeah.
It'll make for a good
Not
picture.
so much dirt.
It'll make a really good picture.
You guys want a picture together? Is
I
that
mean,
what
at the
you
end when we
want?
get out.
Oh.
You on this one?
Oh, yeah.
People will at least have
Yeah.
mud on them to look like they're dirty, but.
Megan, Grace is calling the city of the entrance. I'm peeking out.
Hi, there. It's a dead end.
Is that a root?
Yeah.
The roots.
So
Look at all the little tiny side roots.
You coming down, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything up there or just
No,
It just dead ends out, but
okay?
you know,
Just cool to explore.
can explore.
Get in the holes.
They've never been there before.
How far underground do you think was the deepest we went today? Just so we can go home and have bragging rights.
Not that far. We went in through the side of the hill, we went up some rocks and then some down underneath the hill. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I'd be truthful if we said we were caving and we went down about 50 feet underneath the earth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were those both hidden?
I know the boys are gonna ask.
We didn't go that deep because we went into the side of a hill.
Oh, okay. I mean, underneath the top of the hill, how far down are we now? Like, how much?
I'd say about 50 feet.
Okay. How many times have you come into this tunnel? Lost count. Do you know all of the passageways?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much. I've been doing this for about 20 years.
Look how that rock's just hanging there.
Yeah. That's what I call
Just like-
hanging rock hole. And,
Hanging rock
this
hole?
makes a good picture too. You get them all under here like this, and get a picture of them holding the rock
Hold it
up.
up.
Yeah, it's like one of those Leaning Tower pizza pictures, you know.
Yeah.
Finger first. Oh, I think that was.
Yeah, we went up that.
Wait, can we get a picture with this rock?
Yeah.
We already did, didn't we?
That's the hanging rock.
Oh, that's another one.
So you can like put your hands up on the table.
Emily didn't come through here, but she's our historian. She's knocking us through.
See, a lot of the water when it comes down,
yeah.
comes down in through here, comes down through up there where those roots were, and it tends to fill this up. So there's places back in through here that if they want to play.
Liv, I found you a new home.
That's rabbit hole.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh no, that's not rabbit hole. That's dead end.
Where am I here? Whoa. Yeah, this is the rabbit hole here.
Is rabbit hole different than the keyhole?
Yeah, it's bigger.
Oh, okay.
It's easier.
There's another floating rock, guys.
There's a lot of
Megan, look up.
It looks like we're walking on the ceiling and that's the ground. Like it looks like we're upside down.
Did you look up? Yeah.
Journey 2. Ooh, that's a good picture.
It's so crazy once you realize that this is all natural. Like, oh, it's that. Oh, that's like really easy. Honestly, if I go through back through there, I can go back through the keyhole again. Exactly.
I want to make sure we have everybody.
The keyhole is so easy.
I just think I
Not too far.
overestimated it.
I just like slipped right through.
I didn't. I overestimated it and got.
Doesn't it feel good though? Because in your head you're like, I don't know if I can do this.
I
And
know.
then you do it right away and you're like, oh, what else in my life could I do?
My
if
head
I
got
just,
stuck. My head was too
If I just
fat.
did it and didn't. No, it's your helmet.
That rock.
It's your helmet, not your head. Silly girl.
Oh, there's two rocks. There's like another kind of floating rock. Two rocks.
One, two, three, four, five. Making sure we got everybody here.
Five littles and 3 adults and yourself.
Yeah, okay. Now there's some options at this point, again, what you want to do. I don't know how you feel. We're about 15, 20 minutes from the exit. If you've had enough.
No.
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 And all is Mr. Whitner. I don't know, Mr. Whitner. Did we bring him?
Okay.
Yeah, he's back there.
If we go back behind me, there's some big rocks. It goes all the way to the end of this hall, and it goes through a small opening into another small room. And from there, there's a couple of options that we can do. Whether, if you've had enough after this climb, then we can start exiting from there, or we can go to the catacombs,
Catacombs.
which
Yeah.
it's a tight crawl. I mean, the hole is wide, but it's at some places it's the ceiling is very, very low. To get there, we have to go down a chimney. I'll spot you going
We
down.
have to go back up the chimney after.
No, we're going to crawl out.
Going down the chimney is probably easier than going up the chimney.
Yeah. And
Absolutely,
we'll all be here to help you. If you
absolutely.
need any help.
Yeah, I'll be spotting you going down the chimney.
When you said the
Just to make
catacombs,
sure.
I was thinking of like the places where they store the dead bodies. Same.
Like in Rome.
Well,
I
this,
know they have one in France.
Because I went to the penitentiary mental asylum.
Oh.
Penitentiary at Penhurst. I think it was Penhurst. And
Okay.
I think one of them was called the catacombs. And it was like tons of dead bodies. And then there was like this room with all these ghosts. And it was kind of like this, where it was just go straight down and you didn't know which ones were going to pop out at you or not.
Well, we brought our own ghost today, Mr. Jim Bob.
yeah.
Woo!
Who is where currently? What?
These catacombs aren't that bad. It's just you're crawling, and there's a lot of places to go. And if you don't pick the right one,
Then you're cooked.
you get turned around, and it's hard to find your way back out again. So that's why they call it the catacombs.
Olivia, is the Dr. Pepper for Crackle Barrel?
What? The Dr. Pepper is for whenever we want it.
Okay.
All right. So what do you guys want to do? Do you want to do that catacombs, or
Yes.
you've had enough?
Catacombs.
Catacombs.
All right. All right. I'm going to leave you on your own. Now, here, there's a bunch of holes over here. If you want to play in here, you can play in here, or we're going to go back behind me. Okay? It's up to you. Whatever you feel up to doing. I'm going to stand here because this is a bear to climb over, especially for the smaller people. And I'm just here to make sure that you get up and over it safely. And then these are big rocks. So take your time. It's not like little handholds. It's like big rocks you gotta climb over top. Okay? This is not that tough. If you reach the other side of this rock, there's a lip you can grab onto.
We're gonna go down this way.
And there's some footholds.
I'm sure it's been there a long time, right?
Which ones are the catacombs? This way?
Yeah, it's that way.
Grace, here you go.
I mean, it's that little
Is it
tiny
okay
shelf
if
that's
we
holding
go
our
Go,
way down there?
go, go,
Not much.
go,
Okay, Abby, you can go first.
go.
Wow, thanks.
See how far you can go.
Okay, I will.
Is that a dead end?
I don't think so. I think it does go through.
There's not many places to go, Olivia. It's fine. Fine, just the room, actually.
But I'm not positive whether that's the one that goes through or there was another one that goes
Let me
through.
go first. I'm gonna sneak out. Okay, then I will.
Is Liv going first?
Yeah, Olivia's gonna go. See if there's anything we can even do down there. I'm not sure we can. Well, I wanna see how far I can go.
Then go.
I don't think you're gonna get very far. I will get going.
Yeah, it's good to say.
If it's a dead end, it's hard to turn back.
We determined that Olivia is good at slinking in.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, it's not much.
Now, I'm getting it.
Is there something that we can do?
I think it's there is a very, very tight way to get out.
Is it an Olivia way or not?
It is definitely a mile away.
I see a light and I hear her voice coming out the other side.
Alright, so listen.
Comparing all the holes to people. It's a
Alright,
mile
so
hole,
come
that's
back
only a
out then.
hole.
And then there's an Olivia hole that I can go through, but not many
Okay.
Yeah, not me.
No Gwen hole. Alright, come on out, Olivia. That was fun.
All right.
But honestly, no one's actually probably getting there.
Okay, you be quiet. You can be
I didn't
quiet.
think it was gonna be a great
Please don't kick me.
The Grace Hole is a different hole. The Dr. Arnold hole, that's a hole.
Just a walkway.
Yeah, that's like a cave.
Okay. Ready
Let's
to
try
move
to
on?
get
Yep.
past this rock because it's making me.
Guys, ready to go over?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that rock
I'm
is
sleeping
something.
in
You want to hold, or you got one I have to hold it
Doomsday
for
rock.
you? All right, there you go.
Megan, you just like Megan.
You can put your foot there, on that one there.
Don't like the rock above my
Reach over the
side.
top. That's it. That's it.
Don't like the rock.
See if you can hoist yourself up.
You just go under it.
Belly flop up onto it.
Guys, I'm trying to get past. There we go.
You got it?
Farther, deeper in.
Yep, you got it. You got it. You got it.
I got it. Okay. Olivia got it.
Jim Bob down.
There we go.
Tell him that you dropped his.
You got it.
Dropped him on his head.
There wasn't really much place
Mrs. Bob is probably feeling something right now.
That's me. It's all good.
This Jim Bob couldn't go very far.
Oh, is that Grace?
Wait till she's off that rock.
He looked a little bruised.
Otherwise, get a
My
beat full
ankles
of
are
mud
gonna
in
be
your
so
face.
bruised after this.
Okay, whatever way you want to go. Okay, whatever way you're comfortable with.
Do you want to go
Okay,
ahead of me?
see what you can
Yes,
do.
please. Thank you.
We'll have to see.
Can you do that?
Have we get like a
There you go.
PVC pipe and use some paper mache, make a
There you
block
go.
out of it.
A little bit of help there.
Oh, that's awesome.
So that's good.
You guys do not want to drop Jim
Just
Bob.
actually paint it like
Yeah,
this.
don't drop Jim Bob, y'all.
Leave the dirt on him. Like he needs to stay dirty.
If we drop Mrs. Jim
Wait
Bob,
till
I got
wait till
it.
she's off that
Yeah,
rock,
yeah.
and
Trying to
then
find a good film.
this is gonna be really slow.
Like under the rock.
The flag over the cave.
No,
I'll
yeah.
do it on y'all.
They got it outside the gate.
Bring
In
it with
the
us.
in at the mouth. Yeah.
You can go this way if you want to.
Grace.
If you want, just
Maggie.
hop over top of the hole and go that way. So this, it's a big room. You just be careful that you don't fall off of one of the rocks. That's all.
That's right, Olivia. When you get up, you're gonna pass you, Jim Bob. Okay.
Oh, there's a hole down there.
Mhm.
Perfect. Is it? Oh, that's probably where I was looking.
There's a hole down there.
Is it a Maya-sized hole?
There's a hole in the bottom of the cave. There's a hole in the bottom of the cave.
You gonna make
There's
that?
a hole. There's a hole.
Wait,
there's a
wait,
hole.
wait, wait.
Go for it.
Give me a moment.
No.
There's a scout in the hole in the bottom.
There's a Gwen in the hole.
There's a scout in the hole in the bottom of the cave.
Can you do it?
The question
There's
is
a
what
hole,
scout?
there's a hole,
I'm
there's a
so
hole in the
confused
bottom
right
of
now.
the
Okay. You want to cheat?
Some dirt on the scout in the hole in the bottom of the cave.
Now go.
Dirt on the scout.
There's some dirt on the scout in the hole in the bottom of the cave.
There's dirt on the
There's a
scout.
hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the
Olivia, you
cave.
ready?
There's a lot of holes there.
We want to keep it as a song in theory, not as a how-to guide.
Jim's in the bottom of the hole and we can't get him back.
Okay.
You reach on the other side of that rock there. There's a lip. Okay. Let me see if you can do it on your own.
You good, Nick?
I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Take your time. We're not in a hurry. Very
Yeah,
good. That was it.
wow. Nice leg.
Done.
You okay, Liv?
Yeah.
Alright. This is easy, it's just the Mrs. Jim part. I think I'm gonna just walk over here. He will not fall right
No, no, no. Give it to me. I'll get the gear with him. Don't worry.
If you reach on the other side.
Over here?
Yeah, there's a lip there. You can get a good grip on. That's it. That's it. Teamwork. There we go.
All of a sudden, I got lighter.
Okay. Abby, I think I can take him there.
I got it. I'm done found him.
Okay.
That's it. Very good. This might not work. That would make a better foothold. And then reach on the other side of the rock there. It's a little bit easier to grab there.
Yeah, and he can't do anything for himself.
Okay. No problem.
No. It's extremely round big.
You want to swap out light?
Yeah. I do.
Okay, hold on right there
This one's
then.
getting really down.
Like Simba.
This one's a little bit better.
Okay.
Take that one off the helmet. Here, you want me to change it?
Yeah.
Take the helmet off.
You go in front of me, you'll keep his foot, you'll keep your foot against it and he'll go on my head. Okay. There we go. Just stay in front of me, okay?
Chad, that was the first time I felt pain in my foot.
Oh yeah, Liv, how's your toe doing?
Oh, nice. Okay.
So I just hit it.
Yeah, because with whacking your head every once in a while, it's nice to know that it's not going to go anywhere.
There you go.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, got that. Real dim.
Yeah, that's much better.